What's up, you guys? It's your girl Oya back here with another video. Today I'm going to be doing like my everyday makeup routine. This is not a tutorial. I'm still tweaking what I do on a daily basis myself, but you guys get to see what I do regularly. And I'll be trying out two different products. I had to go up a shade in my Fit Me Maybelline foundation, and I'll also be trying out a new setting powder. So you guys stay tuned. I hope you keep watching, and let's get straight into it. Okay, so I went off camera to do my brows. I really can't see well enough to do my eyebrows on camera. So they're done. Next thing I'm gonna do is prime my face, which is like one of the most important steps to me because my skin is super oily. As you can see, I'm looking very shiny right now. Next, I'm gonna go in with my foundation. I'm praying this shade works out well. I went for the 368, which is deep golden, in the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation. It looks like it might be a little light, but I'm hoping once I contour and conceal it, everything will be straight. And this foundation brush is by EcoTools. Oh my gosh, did I actually get the right shade? I think I did pretty good this time. Okay, next I'm going to conceal, and I use the LA Girl Pro Concealer HD Definition, and I use the shade Beautiful Bronze. And I really feel like buying a bunch of makeup brushes is kind of overrated. I know this is like, maybe it's cheap of me, but I'm using the same foundation brush. I just use one side for concealer, one side for foundation, so that's what I'm going to do and blend it out really well. Next, I guess I'm going to set my concealer, and I got the Black Radiance True Complexion Setting Powder. In Honeymoon, and we'll see how this goes. I'm kind of nervous. I'm gonna pick some up on my brush and tap off the excess and just press it into my skin. Oh, not too bad. Do I want to bake today? I'm gonna bake. Let's do it. I like the way the setting powder looks, and to kind of bronze up my face, I use the shade 40 in the Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. I'm going to use that to kind of like contour / bronze. Now my favorite part, which is highlight. I love this gold shade. I'm gonna go under my brow bone. The inner corner of my eyes. I'm just gonna set my face with my e.l.f. Set and Mist spray. A few coats of mascara. And I'm gonna put on some lip gloss, and that'll be it. Okay guys, that's it for this natural everyday look. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications because I really will be posting more. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.